Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Together. My name is Vikas Hoja. Today we will see another Leetcode problem, that is maximum product subarray. So we are given with an integer array nums and we have to find a subarray where subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements. It has to be contiguous and that has the largest product and return the product. So whichever contiguous subarray has the largest product, we have to return the product for that. So let's see an example to better understand the problem statement, that we are given with the nums, for example 2 3 minus 2 4. So if you can see 2 comma 3 has the largest product, 2 comma 3 sub array has the largest product, right? If you see 2 3 4, 2 3 4 has the largest product, but they are not sub array. That is not a sub array, right? 2 3 4 is not a sub array, that's why that is discarded. Only 2 3 has the largest product. So I have taken the example, that is 2 3 minus 2 minus 4, and these are the indexes. So what strategy we have to apply? So first of all, we have to understand that if there are two numbers, right, two contiguous negative numbers, their product is a positive value. So it might be the case that the product of these two integers, those two integers, can be the maximum. Now due to this condition, we have to maintain min and max. So what min and max will represent? It will help us remember the previous products as well, right? It will help us to remember the previous minimum product, and max will help us in minimum previous max product till the element. So if I am at index 2, so at index 2 I would know the minimum previous product and I would know max product, right? So now how we will update minimum and max? To update minimum and max, what we do, we'll take the minimum of the current element, that is ai, or we have to take the minimum of ai or the product of ai into the previous minimum product, that is min, or ai into the max previous product, right? Why we are taking the minimum as well? Because the numbers can be two negative numbers multiplied. So suppose if the minimum is negative, right, the previous product minimum product is negative and the current element is -3, then can be the maximum as well, because the product is positive, right? That's why we are maintaining. So we have to take minimum, we have to maintain minimum, and to update the max, we'll take the max of the same thing. We'll take the max of the same, right? So let's dry run this example to better understand this concept. So if I am at 0 index, first of all we'll start our min here, like this variable that will store the previous min product as 1, and max here the same for the maximum as 1. Now we'll start from the 0th index. The variable is 2, so we will check the minimum. We'll update the minimum as ai comma ai into minimum and ai into maximum. So ai is 2, right? ai is 2, ai into minimum is also 2, right? ai into max, that is 2 into 1 is also 2. So our number is 2, our minimum is 2, and our maximum is 2. So the answer is 2. Minimum here is 2. Same for max, right? The ai is 2, ai into min here 2 into 1 is 2, and max 1 into 2 is 2. So max will be also 2. We have to take the max for it, will be 2. Now the maximum of 2 and 2 is 2, right? Now we'll update the index. We'll go to element 3. So the number 3, we have to again compare these three things, that is AI, that is 3, AI into min. So now the min is 2, so 3 into 2, 6, and AI into max, 3 into 2, that is 6, and the minimum of 3 comma 6 comma 6 is 3, right? This is the minimum. Now for the max, again the same thing, the max is 2. So first we'll take the very element, that is AI. Now 3 into 6, 6, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 2, 6 for the min and the max. Now the maximum will be 6. Now the earlier max was 2, we will update maximum from 3 and 6. From 3 and 6, what is the maximum value? 6 is the maximum value, right? Now again we are at the element minus 2. So we'll again do the same thing. First we'll compare the minimum of the 3, that is minus 2. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 2 into 6, that is minus 12. So what is the minimum? Minus 12 is the minimum. What is the maximum of minus 2 comma 3 into minus 6 and minus 12? What is the maximum? Minus 2 is the maximum. And we'll compare the maximum that is already stored, that is 6, with the maximum of these two. So what is the maximum of these two is 2, this is minus 2, and this is smaller than the already stored max, so will not change the maximum. Now we'll iterate to the last element, that is minus 4. So here is the the part that we were talking about, multiplication of the two negative integers, how it's a game changer. So let's see. Now we have the element minus 4 comma minus 4 into minus 12, that is 48. Now it's a 48, right? And minus 4 into minus 2, that is 8, right? We are first the element, then the multiplication of the number with the minimum, multiplication of the number with the maximum, that is minus 4, 48, 8. And what is the minimum value? Minimum value is minus 4. Now we will multiply the same, minus 4 into minus 12. So again the value minus 4, 48 and 8, right? Now we have to take the maximum. So maximum will be 48. Maximum will be 48. Now we'll compare the already stored max, that is 6, and the new max is 48. So we'll update the element maximum as 48, right? So the what is the maximum subarray? Maximum value of the subarray that we got is 48. Complete nums array is our subarray, right? Complete nums array is our subarray, and the product of each of the element is the maximum. So right, yeah. So let's see the code part of it. So first we'll initialize the max as the nums 0 to take care if there is only one element, so that will be the maximum element. Now we will initialize our two pointers, max here and min here, and we will iterate over the loop. And first we will calculate the max here, right? So max will be the maximum of numsi, or comma the maximum of numsi into the min here and numsi into the max here, right? That we did in the example before. And similarly we'll maintain a min here, that will be the minimum of numsi into min here, and numsi into temp. Temp is nothing but the max here, because max here is getting updated, so we'll store in a temp value, so that the max here is not change, that the value we are multiplying with is the correct max here, not the updated one. And finally we'll compare the max here that we got, right? And we'll compare it with the already max that is stored with the new max, and if they are whichever is the maximum, we'll update the max, and after the loop is completed, we'll return the max value. So let's run this solution. So yeah, test cases are accepted, so it means the solution is working fine. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, give a thumbs up. Thank you.